Are you struggling to get field values using reflection in Java? It can be quite a challenge, but don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery of accessing field values at runtime. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when your code doesn't work as expected. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar issues when trying to access private fields. It's a common hurdle in Java programming. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, "I am not able to get the field value. What I am trying to do is get the object at runtime. Please let me know where I'm going wrong." Sound familiar? If so, let's explore this together. So what could be going wrong here? The issue often lies in how we access the field and the object instance. Reflection can be tricky, especially when dealing with private fields. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid common pitfalls when using reflection in Java. To begin resolving the user's issue, we need to ensure that the field is being accessed correctly. The user should first confirm that the class name and field name are accurate. Next, the user should create an instance of the class from which they want to retrieve the field value. This is essential because the field value is tied to a specific object instance. After creating the instance, the user can then retrieve the field value using reflection. They should use the instance when calling the get method on the field. Finally, the user should print the retrieved value to verify that it has been accessed correctly. This step will confirm whether the reflection process was successful. Fun fact: did you know that reflection in Java allows you to inspect classes, interfaces, fields, and methods at runtime, even if they are private? It's like having a superpower in programming. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user involves creating an instance of the class before accessing the field value. They suggest using the new instance method to create an object of the class, which can then be used to retrieve the field value. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. An alternative approach shared by another user involves using reflection to extract all field values from the class. They create an instance of the class and retrieve its declared fields in an array. This method avoids hard-coding field names, making it more flexible. However, the user notes that accessing private fields with reflection has security implications. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. An alternative approach provided by a user suggests that you need to create an instance of the EX class when retrieving the field value. Instead of calling field.get with the class itself, you should call it with a new instance of EX. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always check if the field is accessible before trying to get its value. This can save you a lot of headaches down the road. And there you have it. You should now be able to access field values using reflection in Java. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more programming tips and tricks.